Hey, what is up guys? It's PMHK here. I hope you're all doing well. And for my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I'm making this quick video to update you guys that I now have a PO box and to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day. Now, me getting a PO box and the Valentine's Day has nothing to do with each other, but if you guys have anything to send me, obviously it's always welcome. So my PO box address is 525 Bruma 2026 South Africa, obviously, but I'm gonna obviously have it linked in or I'm gonna have the full address in the description so you guys can get it properly. So as I said, I'm making this video to wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day and to update you guys on my PO box. Company subscribers wanna send me stuff, feel free to send me anything, and if it's amazing, interesting, or if I feel like featuring on a channel, obviously I'm going to do so. So this is gonna be it for this video. Quick update. Wish you guys the best Valentine's Day, and I'll catch you guys on my next video sometime this week, obviously. Peace.